If you are trying to earn money online as an affiliate marketer, or you're writing posts for your blog and you want to write transactional or affiliate marketing style blog posts where people will click on the links within your article, get taken over to another website, and if they buy, you get paid, then you want to check out this tool. So very simply, for those that don't know, affiliate marketing is all you do. You create content around a particular topic. So for example, I'm going to use smartwatches here. You create some content, could be a blog article. People visit your website, they read your article, they click on the link. If they buy from that particular brand, you get a small amount of money. You get a commission, which is normally a percentage of the sale. This particular tool is seowriting.ai, and it's built for affiliate marketers. I want to show you why this is so powerful. It's got this one-click generation, but what it also does is the other tools within this are the kind of articles, the kind of content you would be writing as an affiliate marketer or as a person that wants to use your website in order to be able to sell. A lot of the other tools, they'll have these smaller tools built within them that will help with Facebook posts or Instagram posts or things like that, but these are designed specifically for affiliate marketers. So for example, we've got things like how-to guides, we've got things like product roundups. All of these are super useful. So as you can see, you can do your blog post, and this one's great if you want to go step by step, so you want a bit more control than the one-click blog post. Product roundups, reviews, we've got the how-to guides, which are really useful because people might be searching how to use a particular product or software. And then you've got product list workflow, which is where you have a workflow for mass production of product lists. So you can write complete Amazon product lists in minutes, and then you can use these for other sites as well. So the other thing they've got coming in the future is this mass auto generation. So you can actually integrate this into your WordPress site, do mass auto generation, and then as you can see, you can automatically generate and post thousands of articles on your site. Each article has over 2,000 words, which is something that Google looks for. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the one-click blog post, but if at any point you want to come back to this, if you go into the description, you can see that there's this walkthrough guide here if you ever want to reference that. Now, this is actually free to use if you've got an OpenAI key. So obviously now I'm getting a little bit more technical, but basically the OpenAI key lets you use the OpenAI language models such as the GPT-4 that you have in ChatGPT. You can see we've got ChatGPT and all these other different ones. We've got the image models here, audio models. So if you have got an API key already or interested in that, then you can actually integrate this straight into seowriting.ai, and then you don't actually have to pay. So the nice thing about that is what the API key does is it allows you to connect the power of what OpenAI is doing with other softwares, integrate the two together, and then if you're using your OpenAI key in several different places, or you're creating your own piece of software, then actually that ends up being a better way for you to do things. If you are not interested in that, then there is a free account that you can test out. Just use the link in the description. You get a few free articles, and then you can see here they've got $19 a month, which is less than ChatGPT, and you can change the number of words that you've got here. Okay, so you can see how the pricing changes. But in terms of things like Jasper, this is actually really good quality, and you can see that you've got the ability to do switching to quality. So you've got the GPT-4 and GPT-4 Ultra here, and then you've got all the unlimited as well coming with the basic plan at $19 a month, which is really good value. What I will do is, if you just want to pay for a one-time payment for something, I'll show you another piece of software at the end of this video that you can get. It's not targeted specifically for affiliate marketing, but like I said, it's a one-time payment, and then you don't get locked into these monthly payments if you don't have that kind of budget. So let's get started, and we'll write an article with this. So this is the one-click blog post. So I'm just going to click on here and enter my keyword. which is I'm going to look at smartwatches, and then the title is going to be Best Smartwatches for Women, More Wrists in 2023. Okay, so that's the article I've decided to write. You can see here I can set my language, my tone as well, so I'm going to go for professional, and then once I've done that we can pick the article size, which is obviously going to use your word limit up faster if you go for the large, so I'm just going to stick with the medium, and then we can put some keywords in here. So you've already done some keyword research and you would have found the keywords that you want to use. So all I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to take my keywords from the title. So I'm going to put in smartwatches, I'm going to put in smartwatch, I'm going to put best smartwatches. So as you can see there, I put in the key terms that I want to rank for. These ones I've just made up, but what I would do is I would use a separate tool in order to be able to find out the best keywords to use. But if you want to see more about that, I'll put in a video link in the description to our SEO training, and you can check out how I would do that. Then we've got structure here, which I absolutely love. So when you are creating an article for Google, there's certain things you want to include. FAQ is massive, tables are massive for affiliate marketing websites. We want some H3 tags, lists, images, italics, quotes, all of these things. I'm actually going to put quotes off because I don't really need them for this kind of article, but all of this makes the article more engaging and more Google friendly. Once I've done that, I'm just going to save it to the home. As you can see here, I'm doing the 3.5. I don't have an API key. And then once I've done all that, all I need to do is go back up to the top here, hit run. I can also generate my own title as well based off the keyword if I wanted to, so I don't even need to come up with my own title. Hit run, and then it's going to go ahead and work. So at this point I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back when this article is finished. So I just paused the video there for 2 minutes, and as you can see now we've got a tick here, so we can take a look at this. So I'm just going to go in and edit, and as you can see now we've got 2,500 words just over, and we've got our full article. So we've got our meta title and meta description, and then the full content. And as you can see, this thing has been edited. So we've got our H1, H2 tags. Everything's been broken down. Then here we've got our table, and then we've got our individual different smartwatches that are recommended. I need to put some images in, but as you can see, we've got the Apple Watch Series 7 broken down, and then we've got all of these different watches. We've got some more tables of pros and cons that allow the reader to compare. We've got the FAQ section at the end, and as you can see, this is really detailed, really nicely set out. Now if you did this in ChatGPT, you'd have to go through and go and do all these editing, but all I need to do now is I can export this article for myself, so I can publish it straight to WordPress if you get the integration done, or I can download it as HTML if I want to, or I can just cut and paste it into a post on my blog. Once I have done that, I can then go get the images in, put my affiliate links in and publish, and we are ready to go and everything is sorted. What I might want to do at this point is I might want to run it through an AI detector, tweak it in any way to make sure that I've got the percentage of AI content down if I'm worried about that. You also might want to run it through and see how well it is optimized for SEO. So if you've got a piece of software like that you want to use, if you're interested in that kind of software, then we recommend one called Neuron Writer, and I'll leave a link down in the description. But as you can see, really excited by this tool. It's very powerful, and it can do a lot for you, especially if you're interested in writing these kind of articles. And you can actually go ahead and keep editing, so put your links and images into this article. So for example, if you want to work in the cloud for some reason, you can't get access to your website, then you can do everything here and then just copy it and paste it over later on. I did say that I was going to show you a piece of software that you can use if you don't want to commit to the $19 a month, but having said that, it's not going to produce this style of article, which I really like. So if you are writing an affiliate marketing blog or you want this style of article, then I would definitely see if you can find the $19 a month. But if you can't and you just need a one-time payment, then I have a solution for you. Check this out. So this is Write Cream. It's currently on AppSumo, and again the link will be in the description. And you can see at the moment you get 96% off, but you need to act fast. So for just $59 you will get access to Write Cream, and it's going to let you write SEO blogs. It's got something in it called ChatGenie that works like ChatGPT, and it's linked to the internet, so it's got information post 2021, and they've got an AI image generator built into this, as well as multiple tools for things like social media, copywriting, and all those kind of things. Now the nice thing about AppSumo, as you can see here, is you get the 60-day money back guarantee, so you can try it out, and if you don't like it and you want to try this one here, the seowriting.ai, then you can come back to it and you can get your money back. And you can also stack the codes as well, depending on how much you want to produce. But if you're looking at blog posts, podcasts, writing Google ad, copy, anything like that, then you might want to check this out. And if you scroll down on their page, you can see all the different plans, so you can see how many characters you're getting and see which of these plans that you want to go for. But it starts at $59, which for most people will be more than enough, and you can just go through the sales page here and see what it does, and you can decide if this is what you want. They do have an article generator in 4 clicks that works really well, and they've got the Chrome extension, but it doesn't do this style of article that I've just shown you, which is great for affiliate marketing. So that's what I wanted to show you. On the screen now you'll see 2 videos. The first one is our Write Cream walkthrough video, and you can check that out to learn more about Write Cream, or you can watch our video series on Neuron Writer, which is the SEO optimizing tool that you might want to check out if you want to combine it with this tool here, SEO Writing AI. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.